Hi, I'm Jeremy Sternhagen with Layard and Planar, and I'm going to tell you about the next generation Clarity Matrix G3 LCD video wall system. Building on our award-winning G2 architecture, the new G3 system delivers the ultimate video wall solution. With panels available in 46 and 55-inch diagonal, and tiled bezel width as narrow as 1.7 millimeters, the G3 system also includes the Layard Wall Director web-based software that allows for simplified configuration of sources, source tiling, scaling, and windowing. Wall Director also features health, status, and monitoring of every component in the video wall system. Clarity Matrix G3 can support multiple 4K 60 sources simultaneously, and it has support for the latest HDMI 2.0 and HDCP 2.2 signal standards. Integrated Layard Wall Sync technology eliminates video tearing and delivers gen-lock synchronization of sources. Mission-critical off-board electronics and hot swappable remote power supplies deliver 24/7 reliability. The Easy Access Alignment System provides precise alignment and an ultra-slim installed profile depth of 3.6 inches. For more information on this and other Planar and Layard products, visit planar.com or layard.com.